Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. All of us know that health is wealth. So we want to be healthy. And to be healthy, you are knowing our lifestyle should be proper. Proper in other ways. We should have some particular regular things in life. Now, if we are healthy, you are knowing there is no need to go to the doctor for each and every moment. So, today I am going to talk about 10 medicines which will keep you away from the doctor. Medicines means no need to go out to buy those medicines. All these things are available in your house or in your own environment. So don't get scared. I have to take 10 medicines. No. It is everything is there which we take in day-to-day life. So let me tell you these 10 things. First thing is water. You know, we should consume a lot of water, at least 3 to 5 liters of water. Why? Because when we drink water, it cleans our body. So, to keep our body clean, internally, you should consume a lot of water. So make a habit of it. Whatever work you are doing, keep water near you. I will be always having water with me. Now also if you want, I will show you. See here. I am having the glass of water and even the water bottle with me. So, you should daily drink plenty of water. That is the first thing. Second thing is we should have some fasting as well. In olden days, you might be knowing people used to fast on Mondays, Fridays or Ekadashi, Sankashti, this and that. Now, why this fasting is? See, our body is also a machine. Machine needs some rest, right or wrong? Yes. That is why we should give some rest to our body. That is why we should have fasting. And you see, even animals, suppose your dog or cat, if they are not okay, they won't eat. Even if you give them whatever their pet food, even then they won't touch it. They will go out, eat some grass or something and be all right. This we should learn from the animals. So, fasting, let it be intermediary fasting, whatever, according to your choice. Because all these 10 things, though I tell you, you have to adopt these things according to your time, your choice, etc. It is left to you. Now, next is food. Which type of food we should have? We should take balanced food. Balanced food means good healthy food which is cooked in the house, a lot of vegetables, lot of fruits, plenty of water. This should be our food. Then we will come to exercise. Exercise is a must. It is of your choice. You can have swimming, cycling, walking, running, whatever exercise you like to do, but let it be regular. Regular exercise is a must because it keeps our body active. Next is sunlight. You are knowing, due to sunlight, we get vitamin D, and it protects us from different diseases. That is why in the morning 7 to 9, tender sunlight we call it. Go for a walk at that time, or if you are doing any work, sit in your courtyard and do that work. Or if you are doing yoga, exercise, whatever, do it in the sunlight because it gives vitamin D. So there is no need for us to buy vitamin D capsules if we use directly the sunlight. Next, very, very important is sleep. A good sound sleep. See, sound sleep is very good for the body. If you are troubling from getting a sound sleep, I have prepared some videos how to get sound sleep. You can go to them and go through it. Because sound sleep is a must. After having a sound sleep, what happens? We feel fresh. And our day we can start with full of enthusiasm. So we should get good sleep. And this sleep time means at night you should have sleep, and even timings. Going to the bed and getting up in the morning, it should be fixed. And before going to bed, don't watch your mobile or any gadgets for that matter, because it may not give you sound sleep. So you should have sound sleep. Then be happy. Be happy means we should be happy within our relations, or don't get angry every now and then. Otherwise there are some people, for each and everything they get angry. No. So be happy. Learn to stay happy. Next is good hobbies. We should have good hobbies. Hobby means what? Which gives us pleasure. Many times some of us might be working, and that work may not be our hobby. We may not love that work as a passion. Hobby is a passion. Suppose you are working in a bank. If music is your hobby, in the evening after coming home or in the morning you can have 1 hour devote for music. So whatever your hobby, you have to indulge with your hobby. And because you are knowing hobby keeps us active, and moreover it keeps us mentally cool. Then meditation, at least 10 minutes early in the morning after getting up, and before going to the bed. 10 minutes meditation you should have. Apart from that, very important thing which is very, very important in our life, it is love. Love everyone. Love yourself. Love your family members. Love your relatives, your neighbors, your colleagues, everyone. So this love will keep you always energetic, happy, and free from the stress and anxiety. Even Jesus Christ has told, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Even Bhagavad Gita tells the same thing. Quran tells us the same thing. All our religious texts also tell us the same thing. So, learn to love everyone. If you follow these things, there is no need to go to the doctor. Have a nice day.